Okay, so first you want to brush them out. So I'm going to use my Morphe E29. Go in their like direction. So these hairs are going upwards, so you want to go up, and this hair is like down. So I'm gonna grab some tweezers, and then I'm gonna take out the little hairs that I have right here. Right here. This one needs fucking help. Like, it's so hairy. Get all the smaller hairs that you can't get with the tweezers. So you're just gonna do your eyebrows this way now because you're about to cut them. But not too much. I think that'll be good. You don't want them hella short. And then you're gonna do the same. You're gonna go up. I always mess up on this part, but it's okay because you're gonna draw them on anyways. You're just gonna do the same to this side. Okay, so these are my eyebrows now. All clean from here and here. You want to start out in the middle. You never want to start here. No, that's a big no-no. You want to start in the middle. And you want to just follow the way your eyebrow is shaped. And then with the leftover product that you have, why do I look pink? Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know why I look pink, but I do. I honestly don't know why. So now you want to draw the top part. Like I said, you want to start in the middle and then arch it. You want to be really like slow and gentle with your eyebrow because your eyebrows is what makes your whole ass face, to be honest. If my eyebrows don't come out good, then it's just a bad makeup day. So yeah, you just want to work your way down, and then you just want to go do easy strokes. And then you just want to brush your hairs like that. Cool. If you don't want your eyebrows, because you just need to be really gentle, but when you're gentle, your eyebrows come out really late. Just grab some more product if you want your eyebrows to be a little bit dark. You don't want to go overboard because you don't want to have dark ass eyebrows. It's like a coloring book. So now you want to do the same to this eyebrow. Like I said, start in the middle. I'm tired. This is a workout. So if you guys want to know a trick, so you grab your pencil and then you just go like this. And that's how you know when to stop. Because I know you just don't know when to like stop from here. you know, because you just keep dragging. I used to drag a little bit like that, but you grab your brush and then you just go like this, and then that's how you know when to stop. Like that. Tip, little eyebrow tip. So now I'm gonna draw this part. Draw your arch, and then boom. You want to go boom like that. And then you just want to, like I said, go really lightly because you don't want dark eyebrows. I mean, if that's what you want, go ahead, but I prefer them to be like a like light. You want dark eyebrows, go for it, YOLO. And then you want to work your way down with the leftover product that you have, and then easy strokes. And you want to brush it out. I kind of want to define this part a little bit more. So I'm going to grab a little bit more product and just define this a little bit more. This is what my eyebrows look like right now. So now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the color medium. So then I'm just going to get a little bit of product. Like that. And so you're going to want to clean up your eyebrows. So I start right here in my middle. I start everything in the middle, you guys. Middle. If you guys want another beauty tip, you know how sometimes maybe you don't know when to stop right here, so you just go like this, like that. Let's see, like that. Beauty tip or eyebrow tip, whatever. You're gonna grab more product and do the same up. I don't start right where it starts. I just start like a whole inch away and then work my way downwards. So be really careful. But even if you mess up, you can just go back and draw them again. So you guys just saw that I just put like all the product on the brush like right here because I just don't want a lot of product here, you know, because I don't want to mess up. So just drag it and then just go up like that. But there you go. I just cleaned this eyebrow up. So this is how my eyebrow looks right now. So now you're gonna do the same exact thing that you just did here on here. And then I just put concealer right here just because I'm gonna already like need it anyway. So the leftover product I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. So now you're gonna clean up this top part. So you know how I just like kind of put concealer right here, so you're just gonna, it's fine if you guys do that, just get your pencil or your brow pencil and then do it again. That's all. Super easy. So that's how I do my eyebrows. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna continue doing like my whole face. And the last thing that I do on my eyebrows is I put the clear transparent gel by Maybelline. Looks like that, and then I just put it on my eyebrows because it makes it like stay. So you know how these hairs go like that, so I go like that, and then these hairs I go like that. Yeah, that easy. So we're gonna do. So this is the look. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.